Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Seth. This is Cinema with Seth, and today we are doing a project for the Los Angeles Film School where we are going to build a minimalist camera rig with the Blackmagic Pocket 4K. So what we have here, we have our flat-headed screwdriver, we have our battery, our SD card, our Blackmagic Pocket 4K cinema camera, tripod base plate, a 12mm Meike cinema lens, and our Manfrotto tripod. So I'm gonna just show you how all of this goes together. It should be real quick, just a couple of minutes. So we're gonna grab our camera first. We're gonna pop open our battery door, slide our battery into the camera, and then move over to our side door, which will pop open, slide in our SD card, and that is it for that. We're gonna flip our camera over, grab our tripod base plate, making sure that the front is facing towards where the lens will be. Get this in here and just finger tighten it. That's good there. Slide this into the position that I want it so that it's centered and balanced once we get it on the tripod, and tighten that down. Now from here, we're going to pop that loose, not take it off because we don't want to get dust in there, and then we're going to take off our sensor cap and then our lens and click that on. Go ahead and take off our lens cap, set those to the side. I always like to wipe down my lens before, get that nice and clean. Now we're going to take our tripod, release our fluid head so that that doesn't get caught up in our legs, release the latches here, and let all of our legs down. Go ahead, get those fully extended, lock them down, and then I'm gonna spread this out, make sure my spreader is good, release my top, bring that up to the height that I want it roughly, lock those down. I'm gonna tilt my pan head forward, grab my leveling nut here, go ahead, right there is centered, get that locked down, bring this back. Now we're ready to put our camera on. Loosen this nut up, slide it in, hear that click, we know we're good. Level our camera right over here, and then we will tighten that down, and that's it. That's the minimalist camera rig. We have our lens, we have our camera, we have our tripod, we have our base plate, we have our storage, and we have our battery. Quick video, but that's how it's done.